The coffee machine I've been waiting for almost a year has finally arrived. Let's open it up. Meet Spinn. This is the coffee machine I've been waiting for since June of 2021, and it's now April 2022, so it's been 10 months. Let's hope that the wait was worth it. Let's open this up. Okay. Whoa. This packaging is pretty intense. There's little instructions when you first open it. Take out the accessories, unfold the box to open, place your coffee machine, follow the instructions in that. I love how it's all cloth. This is the drip tray. The water filter. Oh, this. Okay, this is the actual unit. More cloth fabric. Wow. Let's see. It's heavy. This is a water supply line. This should slide right in here. There we go. When I was first in the buying market for a new coffee machine, there was a few things that I wanted to have in my new coffee machine. I wanted it to be bean to cup with a built-in grinder. I wanted it to have smart home capabilities. I didn't want those disposable filters in my coffee machine, and I wanted a water line with no water tank. So the Spinn actually has all of those things that I listed. Plus they also have, like the name implies, a spinner in the Spinn. It spins the grounds, and it spins them so fast that it actually dries them, and then they're easier to dispose of later on when you want to throw them out, or even put them in your garden. The Spinn completes all of those criteria I had in a new coffee machine, except for a little gripe I had with the smart home capability that it only works with Alexa, which doesn't work for me because I actually have Google Home set up in my house. But I think I might have a workaround for that, and I can talk about that a little bit later. But anyway, enough with the chit chat. I want to get this installed, and then I can give you my first impressions after my first cup of coffee. So I have the Spinn installed. We're gonna make our first cup of coffee, and I'll let you know my first impressions. I'm gonna set up the coffee through the app. I'm gonna go to coffee, make coffee. Let's see how it works. So it does come with a milk frother and a carafe with the model that I purchased, but those haven't come in the mail yet. The Spinn only has Alexa support. I have Google Home in my house, so what I think I might try and do is buy an Alexa, have it next to my Google Home and my Spinn, and when I ask Google in the morning to make me a cup of coffee, the Google will actually communicate with the Alexa, and the Alexa will communicate with the Spinn. I think that might be my workaround for it until Google Home support is offered with the Spinn. Awesome, so my coffee's ready, and now it's just going through a cleaning process. Pretty good. After the Spinn is completed, it puts the dry grounds in a little container here, and then you can easily dispose of them or throw them in your garden. For my first impressions, app support for it is great, and it makes a mean cup of coffee. So one issue I could see someone having is that the grinder is pretty loud on the Spinn. But other than that, for me personally, it's a 10 out of 10. But anyway guys, thanks for watching. See you next time.